Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and this doesn't have too much to do about Corel Draw as far as it is about a new font I found. One of my viewers or subscribers watched my video about the endless knot, and he told me this just this morning about a font he uses. So I researched it and I got the font. Matter of fact, I've got two, and I'm going to do a video. But does anybody have a clue what that means or spells? Well, you can do that quick, and you can actually type it out as you're going. I've only had this program maybe 10 minutes, and there's the website I got it from, and I'm going to put a link to the website. He's got a number of fonts, but it's cool. I see some lines here, but they kind of go away from time to time, and there's a way to get around that with welding, and I'm going to get with him and figure out if that's a problem. That's very easily done, and maybe in future videos I'll show how to do that. And at first I was kind of lost in when you get the font, he gives you a keyboard diagram with lowercase and uppercase. And if you can see these darker lines, so these 9 letters are this right here. And it's that easy. I mean, it's just typing it out. So those 9 letters are QWE, and then ASD, 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 and then ZX. And you could make this as big as you wanted. You know, you could keep going. You could really play around with this and come up with some new unique ideas. And I'm planning on doing just that. So stay tuned for some more videos, and look at his website. And if you like drawings like this, is laser engraved. This would be really add some uh, neat looking stuff to your laser engraving. I don't care what it is. You know, there's other things you can do with this. Anyway, so stay tuned for future videos, and hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.